For this set, I'll be using 3 polishes by Sinful colors, orange, nude, and white, and 2 polishes by LA colors, a burgundy and light gold. This will be part of my Bougie Nails on a Budget series and is also part of a nail collab. Hey NailTubers, you came right on time. We're doing an adorable, simple, and fun nail art tutorial. And today's video is part of a nail collab. Real quick, for those that are new to the channel, collabs are when channels come together and create content for an occasion or a particular subject. And the title of today's collab is Finally Fall. This collab is hosted by Love by Verdie Nails. As always, let me explain the set real quick. 2 of the nails will be a solid orange, 1 will be a buttercream, which I originally thought was a nude, 1 white nail, and the metallic colors will be used as part of the design. I'm laughing because my dog is next to the desk, making noises and huffing and puffing. I have done collabs with Verdie in the past, and I've enjoyed each and every one of them. For today, I decided to do something quick and easy because in the other collabs, I did polygel, I did acrylic, so I decided to take it back to the basics and chose a simple design that we can all do. So if you've been hesitating to try freehand nail art, this is a great way to start. Now, I must give credit where proper credit is due. I have been seeing these little tutorials all over Pinterest and in Bing searches and on personal web pages. Haven't you ever wondered about trying at least one of these? Well, for as long as I have been seeing them, I never have yet. So when I came across this cute little fox, I thought to myself, how cute is he? And how perfect for this collab. This tutorial comes by way of Simply Nail Art, so I must credit the artist in that tutorial. I searched for a YouTube channel, I didn't find one, so I just wanted to make sure that I gave proper acknowledgement. If you always wanted to try one of these little tutorials, you can even do it with me, so get those polishes. As a matter of fact, if you do, I would love to see them. I bet they would be so adorable too. So yes, if you end up deciding to do this, put a fox in the comment section. And also, why don't you tag me on IG at Pick Your Color? Like I've been so busy talking and neglecting to narrate the video. But you guys follow, right? All I'm doing is polishing. I'm pretty much at the second coat here. As you continue to watch me work, let me make mention of the other ladies that are part of this collab. I'll have a link of the playlist in my description box. Be sure to visit their channels as well. I love their work. Head over to their channels and give them support as well. Subscribe to them and be sure to let them know that I sent you. I recorded this close to 2 weeks ago, and it had been waiting for editing, and I just cannot remember why this particular nail went unpainted until now, but nonetheless, it's being painted white as a background for the nail design. Okay guys, here we go. The background of the fox is painted first. You would do the body and then a round, kind of like a round circle for the head, and draw in the ears. You may want to do a little touching up before you lay down the next color. Go in with white to define the ears a little more. And then you'll use whatever you can or have as a dotting tool to create the eyes. And as you can see, I've already done the body part. Three little black dots will create the eyes and nose. And I made a little correction here. Continue with the black to create a cluster of dots that will end up looking like paws. As you can see, mine wasn't exactly perfect. I had to make a few corrections on this one. I didn't really experience that with the first one that I did, but it still came out looking so adorable. But I decided to take it a step further and add his cute little tail. It just wouldn't be me if I didn't do extra, right? Now you know you gotta add that little white tip at the end. For this nail, I'll use the metallic polishes and add a few leafy designs. As I started doing this one, I was thinking to myself, it's not showing up very well. But you know what? It still looks very pretty. This was just as easy as doing the fox, if not easier. A simple straight line with a few dotted leaves, and voila. I ended up spearing it by accident, as you could see here, so I decided to try to go in with a little white and create some type of a swirl like wind was blowing. I don't know what I was thinking, but it didn't look too bad. I left it that way. Isn't he the cutest little thing? And look at that tail. It was just that added little extra touch, right? So NailTubers, listen, if you enjoyed this video today, or especially if you did this, don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this set. I just thought it was so simple to do, and I really had a lot of fun making it. Now don't forget, check out the other ladies that are part of this collab too. And remember to subscribe to this channel, guys. I have so much more, a lot more to come. And don't forget to hit that nailification bell so you'll be notified anytime there's an upload from me. Oh, and if you like this and would like to see more of these, I have several more of them coming too, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.